Hey, what's poppin', y'all? Sunday night with your boy, man. We finna get it in, man, with this little quick little video, man. The most amazing thing I ever seen in my life, dog. And you gotta take patience or have patience to do some shit like this, dog. So what I want to do is just show y'all how people have patience, and I want to show you the most magnificent thing that's created by people's hands. We finna get it in. Watch this. I know it's all good. Hey, y'all, hold on. It's all good. Hey, hold on. We finna get through this video right quick, all right? Hold on. Hold on, baby. We finna get through this video. All right, now watch this, y'all. This shit is amazing right here. Come here. I don't want you to do that. Look, come here. Watch this. We finna watch this together. You ready? You gonna watch it with me? Come here. No, come here. Come watch this with me. Come here. Come on. Watch this. Why you getting all sad? Come on, watch this. Look. 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 Big snowflake. You see it? Look. Snowflake. See that? That snowflake. Look at that shit. You see that? It's amazing. Look at that. You like that, huh? Look. Oh, look. Watch this part right here. Watch snowflake, look. See, watch that, look. Oh, it's going around this circle, look. See that? Look at that snowflake. Hey, we up out of here, snowflake. Tell him we gone, baby. You know what I'm saying? That's amazing.